Okay, let's do the simple integers, this exercise, okay? Simple integers stage 1, I'll do some of the questions, okay? So you have to remember those formulas, okay? Let's take a simple review here before we doing any questions, okay? So we have P to be the principal, okay? And then T to be the number of years, okay? Copy it. And R%, the interest rate of the bank, okay, uh, per year, okay, and what we have the I is for the interest, okay, and the A is the total amount. Understand? So we have two simple formulas. The first one is how to calculate the interest, simple interest, okay, is P times, okay, the R%. This is 1 year interest, understand? And then times T because you put it in the bank for T years, understand? So next, the formula 2 is A formula. And then the A is amount, meaning that you have to plus, okay, your principal, okay, with the I, understand? So in your questions, if it is already given P and I to you, you can just calculate A like this, very simple, okay? But sometimes the I is not given like this, okay? You have to calculate the I, so we can extend this formula to be like this because the I formula here looks like this, understand? So T, so you can choose to use this one or this one, okay? Depends on the case, okay? In your questions, understand? So this is very simple review, okay, for the formula, okay, for the formula. So let's go to the stage 1 exercise. So go to question 3. Question 3. So read the questions. Kathy, okay, invest, okay, wow, 10 million, okay, put a P there, okay, in a bank, and an interest rate 5%, okay, per annum, okay, meaning that it is the year, okay, yearly interest rate for 15 months, okay. 15 months is the T thing, but it is not the year, okay. You have to change it into the year unit, okay. Find the simple interest. So first, I would like you to let, okay, let I, okay, dollar I be the simple interest. So you have to calculate I, right? I equal to the I formula is P times R% times T, right? So you already have the P, right? 10 million. So it's totally 7 zeros, okay? Then times R% is 5%, right? And then times T. So T here is 15 months, not year. How to change it into year? You do this divided by 12 because 1 year has 12 months, understand? So you have this, then you go to, I recommend you to make this as a decimals, then go to your calculator, okay? So 7 zeros here, like this, and then like this, understand? So then you go to your calculator, don't miss the zeros of the 10 million, okay? So my answer is 625000, okay? 62, no, 625,000. Is it? So in the conclusion, so the simple interest is 625,000. Understand? So keep going. Let's go to the question 5. Read the story first. So Ellen, okay, deposit 80,000. This is the P. Okay, mark a P there. Put a P there. 7%. This is the R%, right? After 18 months, so this is the T. Okay, find the simple interest and the amount. So part A, you have to find a simple interest. Let it be I. Let $I be the simple interest. So use the I formula. Okay. So for the P, the value of P is 18,000, right? 18,000 times 7%, right? And then times the time T is not 18, but 18 divided by 12. Understand? So make it decimal first. Okay. Then go to your calculator. So my answer is this. Okay. Check whether your answer is the same as mine. 1,890. Is it? So the simple interest is 1,890. Understand? So part B. So you have to find out what the A, right? The amount A, right? So you let this, okay, be the amount, or you write, or you say total amount is okay. So A, the simple formula for A is like this, right? So do you have I? Actually, you have already calculated in part A, right? So you make it here. No need to calculate again. Understand? So the P is 18,000 plus 1,890. Okay, it should be 1990. Okay, let me see, 19890. Okay, so the amount is 19,890. Understand? Is it okay? So let's keep going. Go to question 7. So Freddie borrows 300,000. This is the P, okay, from a bank. Interest rate 11%. This is the R%, right? So how much should he repay after 20 months? So how much should he repay? Meaning that the total amount, understand? The principal plus the interest, okay, you have to return to the bank. It is impossible you just return the interest, okay, or you just return the principal. It's not making sense. Understand? So you have to find out what. Actually, you have to find out the A. Understand? So let A be the amount. So we use the A formula, right? A formula simply just like this: P plus I, right? But do you have I here? No. So you extend the formula like this, okay? So for the P is 300,000, understand? And then 3,000, 3,000, okay? 300,000 again. So the percentage should be 11%, right? The T, is it 20? No, but 20 divided by 12, understand? So next, keep this first, plus, and then here, we always recommend you make the decimal first, okay? No hurry, because this is very easy. Of you may make mistake very easy, okay? So this is the result, okay? 355,000. So you can say Freddie has to repay 355,000, okay, to the bank. Understand? So keep going. Let's go to the question. Should be 11. Okay, 11. So question 11. Read the story. Nancy borrowed 80,000 from a bank at an interest rate 12%, 3 years. So mark something there. 8,000 is the P. 80,000 is the P, okay? 12 is the R%, 3 years is T, okay? And then Peter borrow 80,000, the same, you mark P there, okay? 10% is the R%, right? But 4 year, this is a T. So you have two sets of information, understand? So who will repay more interest? So by how much? By how much? So you have to find out the two interests, understand? So you have to find out the interest, the simple interest for Nancy and the simple interest for Peter, understand? So you can make it like this. Let, okay, I, okay, you can make it I1, okay, be the simple interest of Nancy. So you have to calculate the I, right? So calculate I first. So I1 equal to, use the I formula. It should be P times R% times T, right? So for Nancy, the P is 80,000, right? R% is 12%, and the T is 3 year, so make it 3. And then 80,000, this is 0.112 times 3, okay? Then go to your calculator. So this is 28,800. Understand? So next, go to Peter. Okay, let this I2 be the simple interest of Peter. So the same way to calculate, understand? Still I2 formula, P times R% times T, but just a different information, understand? So for Peter, the same principle, okay? But the interest rate is 10%, the year is 4. So here, this is 0.1, this is 4, okay? So this will be 32,000, okay? So who repay more interest? It should be Peter, right? So how to write? You just write because 32,000 greater than 28,800. So Peter repay more interest. So by how much? By how much? I mean, by how much is the difference? Understand? So, and the amount by is, you have to calculate. You have to show your way to calculate, not just write down. Okay. So, is 3,200. Understand? Not difficult. It's okay. So I'll do 2 more questions. Okay. Go to the question 13. Question 13. Okay. Fred deposit, okay, 80,000. This is the P, right? And then interest rate 4% is R% for 5 years. 5 years is a T. So part A, find the simple interest. Very easy, right? You can let I, okay, be the simple interest. So use the I formula. P times R% times T. So for the P is 80,000 times 4% times 5 year, okay? Make it decimals, okay, first, then go to your calculator. So this is 16,000. So the simple interest is 16,000. Understand? Then go to B. It's okay. So go to B. If the interest rate is changed, okay, from 4% to 3%, how much less simple interest? So you calculate the new interest and then do the difference. Understand? So again, you do the I, P times R% times T, the same principle, but here is 3%. Understand? And then still 5 year, the same way. So go to your calculator. So it is like this. To do 16,000 minus 12,000 just equal to 4,000. Okay, so you have to make the conclusions. The simple interest is 4,000 less. Okay. So I'll do this 15 as the last one. So Mandy deposit, okay, 320,000. This is the P, okay, in band A. Interest rate 4%. This is all percent. Understand? After 3 years, okay, the T, she withdraw all the money meaning that the total amount, understand? And deposit this total amount into B, band B, and then the interest rate is 5% for 3 years. So you have two bands, understand? For band B, the principal for band B is the total amount from band A, understand? So find the amount Mandy received from band B. So first, you have to find out the principal of band B, understand? So the principal of band B is actually the total amount from band A. So you have to find out the total amount from band A first, understand? So band A, we just write A, okay, equal to. So A, the simple calculation is like this, right? P plus I. But do you have I? No. Then you extend this, okay, into P times R% times T, understand? So again, 320,000 plus 320,000 times R% is 4% times 3, understand? So be very careful. Okay. Go to your calculator. So this is the result. Okay. So this is the total amount from band A, understand? But it is actually the principal for band B, understand? So again, you have to calculate A, make this A1 this is A2, okay? Make some difference. P, you can P plus I. So do you have I for band B? No, okay? So you have to calculate, you can make it like this, okay? Understand? So for band B, the principal is the total amount from band A. So you use this P as A1, understand? Is okay? And then again, times the interest rate from band B is 5%, okay? So still 3 year, another 3 year, understand? So calculation. So next. So this is the result, 412, okay? 412,160, okay? Then make the conclusion. So the amount, okay, from band B is this, okay? Understand? So I finished some of the questions in stage 1. So you do the rest, okay? You do it now.